Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna raise my outboard. It's a DF140B on my KingFisher Warrior 1825. That's the Suzuki with the tiller, even trimmed. My AV plate runs under the water. The dealer installed it on the second hole, so I'm not happy with that. I want to see my AV plate ski over the water when trimmed out, of course. So I'll go 2 holes, 1 shot, and I'm going to check if my water intake is gonna still be underwater. You don't want the water intake to be out, and your motor is gonna be too hot, and you don't want that in blowing your motor. So but still, I'm about 1.5 inches too low to my point of view. So going up 2 holes, so about 1.5 inches. Each hole is 3/4 inch. So that's my job today. I reinstalled it on the 4th hole. I still don't see my plate at wide open throttle, so I have only 1 hole left. I'm going to install it on the 5th. I only see the shadow of the anti-ventilation plate. So today I'm gonna install it to the very last hole, to the highest position that can be, and I'm adding inspection hatch to give me better access to the bolt. Okay, so lifted the outboard at the very last hole, so I'm at the 5th hole from top. Can't go any higher than that. And testing tomorrow. I hope it's gonna be okay, and I'm gonna be able to see that friggin' plate wide open throttle. So stay tuned for the result. And here is my inspection hatch. Very cool. I'm going to be able to watch what's going on inside, and having access to the transom bolt of the motor. Okay, so little speed test after raising the outboard at the very last hole. So it's not the 5th hole, so I can't go any higher than that.